What is up, YouTube channel? AKA Katie's Adventures, coming back at you with another food review. So I went to the store because it's been a while since I've done a food review, and plus it's been a while since I've been to the store. So today we're going to be reviewing the Blue Diamond Bold Salt and Vinegar. Now, I've never had these. I've had Blue Diamond before, but I haven't had these specific ones. Plus, of course, I already had one of these, and these are so good. But these are the ones. Doritos 3D. So we got the Doritos 3D and Spicy Ranch. And then we got the Doritos 3D and Spicy Chili, Crunchy Chili Mac and Cheese flavor. And I've never had these. So we're going to start with the Blue Diamond Almond. They're almonds. Oh, okay. They've got a lot of ones. And they've got the new really spicy. They got the habanero pepper barbecue. They got the ghost pepper, and then they got cayenne, and they got another one, which I don't remember. But these ones caught my eye, and I'm like, hey, this is a perfect opportunity to do another food review on YouTube. I haven't done it more than a while. I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot. I've been trying. I've just been busy taking over people's shifts at work. But, you know, money's money, and that's before I can be YouTube famous, I have to be able to be YouTube famous by having money. So, having a job, doing YouTube, you know, until I get the desired, till I reach my goal. But yeah, let's open these bad boys up. And as you can see, they're fresh, so I haven't opened them yet until now. Oh, that seal. Little ASMR. Ooh. Ooh, they smell good. These are going to be addicting, just like the chips at Subway. So they got salt and vinegar chips at Subway, if you've ever seen them. They are so good. But, yeah. Oh, yeah. These are going to be addicting. I'm going to take these to work. Oh, yeah. 170 calories. One serving size is about 28 nuts, which is 28 grams. 6 servings per container. There's only 2 grams of sugar, 6 grams of protein, 140 grams of sodium. So, yeah, it is going to be addicting. These are good. Chalky milk. Taste it. Salt and vinegar.
I don't like almonds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
These are going to be addicting, just like the salt and vinegar chips at Subway.
You like raisins?
Alright. So the next one we're going to review is the 3D Doritos Crunchy Chili Cheese Nachos. Oh, those ones are going to definitely use it. I'm going to put my drink. There we go. Ooh. Oh, they look just just like the combos. Those combo chips. Never had them, by the way. There'll be another video. Alright, let's taste it. Ooh. Very light and airy. Ooh. What's the matter, baby? Don't, mind the noise. This is gonna be unedited, so. That's good. This is really good.
I know what's wrong. Temper tantrum, Mommy. She's out of chocolate milk.
Did she lose them?
No, she's.
Did you drink it all? Do you want more?
That's why she's throwing a temper tantrum.
Gimme can get you some more. Let Gimme get you more. Get more.
See, Mommy.
Say hi to YouTube. Look, say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Just going on YouTube. Mommy reviewing food. Ooh. But no, this right here, this light and airy, it's like your normal chili cheese. You want to taste?
Thumbs up and thumbs down.
No.
Thumbs down.
No. Hold on. Let me get it out your mouth. Hold on. It's a different taste, huh?
She's thinking about it. She's like, eh.
Did you eat it all? Oh, you got it.
This house is out of the board.
She's giving strange lookies. Is that good? A yes? A no? A maybe?
Just don't use that one finger.
It's a iffy? Is that an iffy? Have some chocolate milk to wash down with.
See, I'll stick to a review of my chunky milk.
But was that good though? We good? You ate it all?
What was that?
It's a
Eh?
That's iffy. Yeah. Okay, let's go watch Buku's and drink your chalky milk. Mommy gotta finish her YouTube video. Even though it's still running. But back to it. Sorry about that. Like I said, I don't edit my videos, so whatever happens in my videos. But these are really good. And I will sure be eating them. They are really super light. Now to these crunchy, spicy ranch. Ooh. Ooh. Yep. Ooh. Yeah, that's a kick. They're very light and airy, just like the other ones. Ooh. I'm gonna need a sip of my drink. Go get one of these. These are really good. It has 1 gram of sugar in it and 10 calories. Ooh, so good. I like the watermelon, but the pomegranate's really good. But let's look at the back. I think it's the same for both. They're really good, so I recommend these. Go get them. Crunchy Spicy Ranch. And then if you don't like spice, I wouldn't recommend it. It does have a little kickback, but it's really good. It's taking crunch to a whole new level. And then, of course, the chili cheese nachos. And I like these. These are really good. So these probably prefer my favorite. But these are good too, but they're really spicy. I wouldn't eat a lot of them. So for about 27 pieces is 27 grams, which is 130 calories each bag. So they're the same thing. Only less than 1 gram of sugar. Protein 2. Sodium is over the top, which is 200 grams, so I wouldn't really eat much of it because I can't really do sodium. But these are really good. 2% iron. There's 5% fiber. There's 2% calcium. Then, of course, saturated fat is 5%. And then the sodium is 200 grams, but it's 9%. Total carbohydrates, that's 18 grams, 7%. But it's corn, flour, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, onion powder. That's this one. It's really good.
You want to test those ones, Miracle?
No, not these ones. These are crunchy spicy ranch.
Oh, no.
No, that would tear up her stomach.
No, you can't have that.
But the verdict from the baby wives, she likes these.
And then I couldn't believe that was her second bottle of chocolate milk.
Yeah. These are really good. Oh, carbohydrates for this bag is only 6%. This is 7%, so it's a little bit more. The total fat, they're the same, which is 8%. Then the total carbohydrates are different. Let's get a reaction from the hubby. These ones are the chili cheese ones. They're really good. Excuse me. You're not done. Bring those back.
I don't think the kids swiping it. It's the other one. Miracle, don't swipe it. You will.
Okay.
You know, I know what it tastes like.
No, don't drink the whole thing. Okay, and now these are the crunchy spicy ranch. They do have a kick, but they are good. I would not let Miracle eat that, but Miracle had one of those. She kind of liked it, but at the same time she didn't. You can't really taste the spice.
We're trying taking the bottle out of Miracle's mouth.
Excuse me, you're not done yet.
Yeah, I am.
What should I do with these? She wanted to eat pears.
I will, if they're not expired, I will give them to someone in need.
March 31st, 2020.
Yeah, I will give them to someone in need. Yeah, because we're talking about baby food, but that's...
I might actually still boil that.
Those are good. Okay, now these ones are the Diamond Almond Salt and Vinegar. They're going to be addicting, just like the salt and vinegar chips at
I don't like
Subway.
salt and vinegar. That's the problem. I don't even need salt and vinegar for Mom. Nah, no. They should never made salt and vinegar for almonds.
These are good.
That's just fucking nasty.
These are good.
I might take the rest of these off.
Hey, you can because the spice mix messes up my duck. There you go. Well, there's your verdict from the hubby. He likes the ranch ones.
I like Cool Ranch Doritos.
Like time when it's spicy outside.
Oh,
But
you should have seen that.
that is all the food reviews that I have for y'all today.
Baby, tell her about the Carolina Reaper.
Oh yeah, and they also got Carolina Reapers in this. That's the one that I was said I didn't know the name of. But there you go. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. Sorry for the background noise. Like I said, I will not edit this video because my videos are not edited because I don't know how to make an editing program. But if you like this video, click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Let me know what you want me to review next, and I will. And of course, every time I go over stuff like this, I always look for the back so all y'all know. And yeah, pick you up a Bai drink. It's really good. BAI, not. It's an antioxidant infusion. I did do a review. I don't remember if I did a review or not on this, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you want me to do next. I am going to start doing my singing again, but I don't know when. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.